with
Yeah,
a straight line.
any closed shape with lines, right? And it has any curved line?
No.
It doesn't have any curved line. Okay. And we can call a polygon according to the number of its sides, right? And we said how many types of polygon we studied this year. How many types of polygon we studied this year? We said that we have two types of polygon, which is,
Regular and irregular.
thank you so much. So we said that we studied a polygon, and we said a polygon, it is a closed figure, consists of lines, and we can, polygons, we can call it according to the number of its sides. And we said that we have a polygon, and with the polygon, we have two types of polygon, which is regular and irregular figure. So is there anyone can tell me what is the difference between regular and irregular figure? Regular polygon and irregular polygon. Okay, Cecilia, you are here today, right? Cecilia? 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 You enter the meeting now, Cecilia.
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. I'm happy because you are with us today at the last session in the term.
Thank, thank
Do you know the difference between regular and irregular figure, yeah, Cecilia? Regular and irregular polygon?
you.
Hmm. What is the difference between regular and irregular polygon? You know that this part it will be with us in the exam?
No, still.
Okay, so please take care about this part, okay? And you can watch the previous videos which we explained this part on it. And I'm revising today again. Is
Okay.
there anyone can tell us what is the difference between regular polygon and irregular polygon?
Miss regular that have same sides and angles have the same numbers of sides and angles.
Thank you, Abdurrahman. So we said that regular, regular polygon means all sides are equal in length and all angles are equal in measure. Is there anyone can give me any example about regular polygon? Give me any
Quadrilateral.
example.
Triangle.
Not any triangle, ya Abdurrahman, right? It should be
Yes. Should
equilateral
be.
triangle. Okay, it should be equilateral triangle. Not any triangle will be regular. Equilateral triangle will be regular figure, regular polygon, and also the square it will be regular polygon. Irregular, it's the opposite. It doesn't have, or it's not necessary to have all sides are equal in length and all angles are equal in measure. Then if I want to classify a figure, which we have it here in front of us, the first question, we said name the polygon two different ways. Remember, it doesn't mean classify, right? So here in this one, we want to name a polygon according to its sides. Then please tell me what is the name for this figure? How we can name it?
hexagon.
Hexagon.
Mm, This one is
Hexagon.
Hexagon.
hexagon because it consists of
Six
Six sides.
sides.
six sides. Yes. So in this question, we will say we will count the sides first. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's what? It's hexagon, right? And we can say that this one, you can note that the sides are the same or not. The sides are the same or not.
Yes.
Yes, so we can say that this one is
A regular polygon.
regular hexagon, right? Regular hexagon. If we will move to the next figure, this figure is what? Count 1,
Pentagon.
2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is pentagon. And also this one is regular pentagon, right? And it's regular. And both of them are what? Are
Regular polygons.
polygons, right? So we can, to describe it by different ways, so we can say that this one is a polygon, right? And we can call it pentagon, and we can say that this one is a regular pentagon. And the first one too, it's a polygon and it's hexagon, and we can call it regular hexagon. In the next exercise, we want to classify, or we want to match here, matching according to the number of sides. Okay, so according to the number of sides, we want to connect the number. Then we can start from down till up, from up to down. It's up to you. Which one you want to start with? Which one you want to start with?
Down.
Which one?
Down.
We down, decagon. Decagon equal how many?
10 sides.
10.
Sides, yes. So decagon equal 10 sides. So I'm going to come and then I will connect this one. Heptagon, it will be
7 sides.
Then 7.
heptagon, it's 7 sides. Octagon, it's
8.
8.
8 sides.
yes, 8 sides. Hexagon,
6 sides.
very good. Quadrilateral,
4.
4.
4.
yes, quadrilateral 4. And
9.
9, nonagon 9.
5.
Pentagon,
5.
triangle,
3.
3. Decagon, sorry,
12.
decagon, this is 12 sides. Okay, so we have to know the name for each figure according to the number of its sides. Any questions so far till this part? Any question?
No.
Sum of the interior.
Yeah.
We got the sum of the interior measure, and then we write the sum of the interior.
Mhm.
Then we minus it, open bracket, all of the numbers are there,
Yes,
plus each other. Then
very
we
good.
get X.
Very good. So you know the rule? The sum?
Yes,
Yes, please.
the rule, it's n minus 2 multiply 180.
Very good, very good. The sum of measure interior angles in a polygon. The sum of interior angle in a polygon. So we have n minus 2 times 180. Okay, then in the following questions, we want to find the missing angle. Here in the first one, we have x. The first step, what we are going to do, grade 7. What is the first step? We are looking for the value of what?
X.
We are looking for the value of x. Then first we have to find
This is pentacle.
This is how many sides?
5
It has
sides.
Pentacle.
5 sides.
Yes, so it's what?
900.
Pentacle.
The sum of the interior is 900.
We will count them together, Ibrahim. Then
So
Okay.
5.
first, we will say that n equal 5, right? Then we will calculate the sum. So the sum, it will be 5 minus
Minus
2
2. Multiply
multiply
180.
180. Then it will be equal 540. Right? Calculate it, Ibrahim. It's not 900. Right?
Yes,
Then
miss.
Then we want to find the value of x. So the value of x, it will be now 540 minus, and then we will open a parenthesis. Why? Because we are going to subtract. We will subtract a number. So it will be 98. Could you please tell me the angles inside this figure?
98,
120.
104, 120.
Again?
98,
Mm-hmm.
104,
Yes,
120.
that's it. Anyone want to add anything else?
And 90.
And 90. Yes, this is what I'm looking for. From where, Yawar, do you know that we have 90 in this question?
Because there's a right angle.
Yes, we have a sign here, and this sign no means that we have a 90 degrees. So please take care about this sign. Okay, so once we have this sign, that means we have a right angle or measure, angle with measure 90 degrees. Then we can't escape this sign. Then now we have 80, 98 plus, tell me the rest.
Plus 90.
Plus 90. Welcome, Ya Rahma. Good morning. Plus 90.
Plus 104.
Plus 104 plus
And plus 120.
plus 120. Did we miss anything? Grade grade 8, grade 7?
Yes.
Huh.
No.
No. So the answer will be what now? Could you please tell me? 540 minus 98 plus 90 plus 104 plus 120. Right? So the answer, it will be equal 128. Right? So this is for the first question. Tamam? This is the first question. Let's move to the next question. First of all, what we have to do, grade 7? First, we have to know what?
Count the sides.
Count the sides. Then count
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If this figure is regular or irregular? This figure
Irregular.
is regular or irregular?
Irregular.
Irregular, right? So here we just count n equals 6, and then we will calculate 6, the sum of all angles inside this polygon. So it will be 6 minus 2 times 180. So the answer, it will be how many, grade 7? It will be how many? It will be 720. After that, we are looking for the value of y, the same 720 minus, and then we will open a parenthesis, 126 plus 96 plus 147 plus, what else do we have in this figure? 135 135 plus 101. Okay, then we will find the answer. It will be how many, grade 7? 126 plus 96 plus 147 plus 135 plus 101. The answer, it will be equal 150. Okay, so this is how we can find the measure of a missing angle inside any polygon. Okay, so this is the first part which we want to care about it when we have any exam or any quiz. Okay, so how we can find the measure of all, and then we will find the missing angle. What else we want to revise it together? We said at the beginning the sum of interior angles in a polygon equal n minus 2 times 180. Okay, anyone have a question? 7. Yes. And to calculate the measure of each interior angle in a regular polygon, we have to know the formula first. N minus 2 times 180 over n. After that, we have an example. Find the measure of each interior angle in a regular heptagon. Then heptagon means 7 sides. Then we
7 minus 2
we will replace yes, we will replace the value of n by 7. So it will be 7 minus 2 times 180. And after that, we will divide it by 7. Right? So what the answer it will be? What the answer it will be? Grade 7. What is the answer? 7 minus 2 times 180 divided by 7. It will be 128.5. Again, heptagon means how many?
7 sides.
7 sides. And how we will calculate the measure for each angle? We will make 7 minus 2 times 180 divided by 7. So the answer it will be 128.5 degree. And so on. If the question will change only the name for the polygon, for example, if I will erase only pentagon and put instead of it hexagon, then you replace the value of n by 6. Octagon, you will replace the value of n by 8, and so on. So this is for the polygon. We have 2 parallel lines, and we have 5x and we have 100, and the question said find the value of x. How we can solve this question?
Can I say it?
Yes, please.
5x and angle 100, they're both corresponding.
Yes.
So they will be the same measure in angle. So 5x equals 100 divided by 5 divided by 5 equals x equal 20.
Thank you so much. Thank you. The two angles which we have it now, both are corresponding angles. Will corresponding angles, they should be equal in measure, which means 100, it will be equal 5x, right? Then 100 equal 5x, we will divide it both by 5. Then the value of x, it will be equal 100 minus 5. It will be equal how many? It will be equal 20. So once we have two angles, you have to determine with the parallel line, you have to determine first the type of, the relation between the two angles, if they are corresponding, if they are alternate interior, if they are alternate exterior, and so on. And then you are going to solve the equation. What about if I will change the position like this of the angles, and I'm going to write something else, like here, 2x plus 30.
ما فهمت.
Okay, just a second. And here
Okay.
I have 70. So what is the value of x? What is the value of x in this question? Yes, Ibrahim.
We're gonna first find x first.
The relation between the two angles in front of you now is what?
Like, what's the meaning of that?
We said that we have two relations when we have two parallel lines, right? We have alternate interior, alternate exterior.
Alternate exterior,
This one is?
interior.
No, alternate means one right and one left from the transversal. But those two
Oh,
are, remember, those two are what? Those two together are what? This is called
Same
same,
side,
yes, same side
interior, and
interior angles. And their sum should
from
be,
equal 180.
thank you, their sum equal 180. Same side interior angle and their sum should be equal 180. Then we will add them together like 2x plus 30 plus 70 should be equal 180, right? Then 2x we will keep
2x
2x
equal
plus 30
30
plus 70,
minus
it will be
70 minus
equal 180, and then 2x equal 180 minus what? Minus 100. Then 2x equal 180 minus 100, it will be equal 80. Then divided by 2 for both, then the value of x equal 40, right? Then we have to know first how we can determine a relation between two angles, and then we will start to solve the equation to find the value of x. Okay, then this is the two parts.
Yes.
Okay, complete the tree diagram to make a list to find the sample space. Then how we can complete this figure now, how we can complete it, how we can complete a tree diagram in this question. LT, it will be with what? LT,
This we can see the screen.
I didn't share it.
No, you share, but not the sheet.
Just a second. Maybe it's loading like this, okay?
Still loading. Yes, yes.
Okay, you can see the sheet now. Okay, so on this sheet now, we want to know how we can write or how we can complete this tree diagram. So with this tree diagram now, we want to know how we can fill the space. Then with
We'll put H and
yes,
T.
we will put H and then T, and then after that, what we are going to do, we will put here H, and then we will put T, and here we will put H, and then T,
E,
and then H,
H,
and
T.
then T, and then by the end we are looking for the list. Then you have to start from the top of the tree here from H, so it will be H, T, H.
E, H.
Okay, so it will be H, T, H. Then you will continue by the
H,
same
T,
way.
T.
So it will be H, T, T, and then H,
H,
start with the top
T,
first,
H, H.
T, H, H, and then T, H, T, and then T, H.
We put T.
Here,
No, we
we
put
have
a
to
T.
put T here, right? Then it will be T, T, H, and then
T, H,
T,
T, T, T.
T, right? This is already we explained this part yesterday, so please, I want everyone to be sure that you understood according to the condition, according to what? The condition. So you will read the title, the top of the question, and then you will back to determine the number which you are looking for. So sometimes maybe I'm going to say the winner, it will be the numbers from 8 to 10. So if it's from 8 to 10, then you will search here where you can find 10. I can find it here one time. I can find it here one time, one time, one time, and so on. Next question. What is the probability of flipping two fair coins and having both show tails? So
1 over 4.
1 over 4. Yes, because you are going to two fair coins, so you are going to divide by 4. And how many times you can see T and T? It's only one time. So the probability, it will be 1 over 4. Here in this one, Philip rolls a standard number cube 24 times, which is the best prediction for the number of times he will roll a number that is even and less than 4. Even and less than 4. Then first you
1
have,
over 6 multiply 24.
thank you so much. It will be 1 over 6 because you have even and less than 4, you have only 2. Then you are going to write 1 over 6 multiply by 24 to predict and to find the number. So all this sheet, you will find it in your SMS. Here in this one, we want to know the next coin, the Christopher pick a quarter. So you will find first the total number of coins which you have, and then how many times do you have a quarter? You have only 6 times. So it will be 6 over the total to find the experimental probability. Okay.